Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 273 integer to English words, and in this we'll be given a non-negative integer num, and we have to convert a non-negative integer num to its English words representation. For example, num 123, we have to write it like this. Next one is 12,345, then 1,234,567. Oh, sorry. 1,230, yeah, 34,000, yeah, I was right. I just misread it. Okay, so for this we'll have to go for a recursion, and just this was the thing. So it's nothing too much explain about the stuff. Firstly, let's have some tens and ones, and for the tens we'll need to have like um, the initial stage it will be empty new string. It's a string array, and we'll be placing on its index only 0 tens means nothing. So 10, oh sorry, capital 10, then 20, and so on to let's I'll just complete it to 90 and I'll be back. Okay, so yeah, so we are done with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and now similarly we'll have to do it for ones, string ones, and in the ones we'll be also storing the one with the 11, 12, 13 from it's basically 1 to 20, so that will be also a new string array, and initially it will be empty only, then we'll be having 1, 2, and let me just complete this quickly as well and we'll be right back. So yeah, I'm back with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and 20 is already there. Now what I'll have to do is if my number is 0, I'll not be calling the recursion, I'll just simply return 0. Oh, 0. And at the end I'll call a helper function with passing in the num, and by okay, and if I'll be having some extra spaces I'll be just trimming it off. Okay, now let's quickly write this function that is private. Its return type is string helper. In this I'll be passing the number, and then I'll be having a new string builder sp that is equal to a new string builder. Then I'll be adding some if check that if my number is greater than or equal to, I'll just do int 1e9. You can just do it like 1 and then type 9 zeros, that would also work. Okay, in this case what I'll be doing a sp dot append. I'll be calling the helper function for num by I'll just copy it again. Okay, num by 10 to the power 9, 1, yeah, 10 to the power 9 basically, and I'll be appending to it a billion, because this would be a billion, also a space, just keep in track of spaces, and dot I'll be calling the helper function again, but this time with num by no sorry num mod int 1e9. Okay, else I'll have to another check, else if my number is greater than or equal to, this time we'll be checking for 10 to the power 6 basically, because yeah, billion is 9 and then oh, millions are 6, yeah. Oh, am I right? It would be 6 if, just a second. Yeah, 10 to the power 6. So if it's end instead of 1e9, 1 is 6. I'll be doing a sp dot append with the helper function num by, and this time I'll copy this instead. Yeah, dot append a million dot append, call the helper function again, but this time with the mod num mod, and then let's just paste it. Else if the num is greater than 1000, if num oh sorry else if number is greater than or equal to 1000, in this case I just need to append 1000. So sp dot append, it's just a, sorry sorry again. Yeah, I'll just copy this line and I'll just paste it over here. Instead of this, I'll do a 1000, 1000. Here I'll append 1000, and over here again I'll delete this num mod 1000. Okay. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to check it for 100, else if num is greater than or equal to 100, I'll do again the same thing. Instead of this, I'll be doing it 100 dot append 100 dot append yeah, helper mod num mod 100. Okay, else if the number is greater than or equal to 20, because till 20 we are having it sorted, else if number is greater than or equal to 20, what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a sp dot append again, sp dot append, but this time with the tens, with the place of num by 10 to get the index, and I'll be appending a space to it, dot append a space, and then I'll have to call basically either to end or to call the helper function again, num mod 10. Okay, else if this is not the case, I'll just do a sp dot append with the ones of the number, and at the end I'll return sp2 string. And now let's give it a run. I'm wishing just I didn't meet any errors. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Ah, okay, so wrong answer 50,000. I guess, yeah, the spaces somewhere, the spaces are more. Speed out 2 string. Oh, I'll just do a trim here as well. Now let's submit it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.